Hi, it's Peggy Williams with ENR Sales, and today I'm going to make a latex balloon bouquet using Ultra High Float. We're going to inflate 11-inch balloons, so we have secured the restriction clip onto the pump. As you see, we're using the orange clip for Ultra High Float 11-inch. Simply load the balloon onto the high float pump and press down firmly. By using the restriction clip, it restricts the amount of high float and gives you the perfect amount of high float to ensure great floating time. We're going to roll the balloon over in my hand, and I'm going to secure the neck of this balloon with my thumb and first finger. Gently massage the balloon, and you'll feel the ultra high float in that balloon, in the bulb, so we're going to work it around to make sure that it's evenly coated. But be sure not to massage it too long or it creates air bubbles. Now, take the balloon and put it on your helium tank and it's ready to inflate. But there's one last tip, and that's when you're through with your ultra high float. In the bag comes this little red tip that, when placed on the tip of this high float pump, it keeps the high float from leaking out. However, we all know you're going to lose this little red tip. So let's just say we've lost this tip. What I do is put a balloon on your nozzle, and that keeps the ultra high float from leaking.